infrastructure. Do you understand? That's voting on sentiment. Tinubu is a political godfather to so many people. Am I making sense? And I respect him as a political godfather to so many people. Yes, he did some good in our industry to a lot of my colleagues, which is very okay. I remember the time when Moji Olaya died, and I was called upon to come and, you know, solicit for him to support in Moji Olaya being flown back to Nigeria. Do you understand? He has so rest in peace. And he did his part. So because of that, I need to support his party. No. That is one thing he has done for one person or few people among the country. I do not believe. I believe that he is an excellent, a brilliant person. But I believe that he is old and his health would not allow him see to the problems of Nigeria. I believe Nigerian problem is big. And I believe that that man needs to be resting right now, sitting in at, you know, and giving orders to those that he will choose to go and lead us. These are taxes that I pay. Can you see? Jekori. These are taxes. Can you see? Taxes that I pay. I pay taxes. I don't want to scatter them because they are arranged like, you see? These are taxes. You can see UBA. Jekori. UBA bank. Can you see? I pay different. In fact, sometimes I don't even know the kind of tax I pay. I just pay. Legacy, locally, or business tax, or that tax here and there. See, these are also tax. This one is even like one of the recent ones we just paid for Lagos State. You see, paid. You can see paid. So I have a lot of them like that we pay for. You can see their stamps on it. Paid. These are taxes that I have paid for over the years. Do you understand? So I pay tax on my business. I pay tax on my house. I pay tax on everything, but this personal income tax is annoying. People say I shouldn't pay tax. As if, how much do they pay celebrities? How much do they pay actresses? How much? Okay, fine. As an influencer and actress, how do they come up with this price that they charge? I'm not saying I'm not going to pay, but how do you come up with this outrageous amount? Because the amount is so much. It's too much. Do you understand? And someone very close to me sent me a message and said, I heard about this thing 2 weeks ago, because, you know, he's within their caucus. This thing two weeks ago, stuff like that. They were saying it now because you support Peter Obi, blah, 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 blah. I don't care. I will support whoever I want to support because it's my right to do so. I'm not fighting anybody. I don't have an issue with anybody. It's my right to do so. What I believe in is what I believe in. What you believe in is what you believe in. Do you understand? I will not. And when I said I have empathy for my country and not for stomach infrastructures, I know what I'm saying. I said that because I've heard a lot of rubbish from some of my so-called colleagues who they camped in one place to do election. Do you understand? And they come up with the idea that they should boycott Johnson. This is, you can see. Yeah, you can come and check. I'll bring everything out for you to see. So it's not that I don't pay tax or I don't want to pay tax, but you cannot charge me such an outrageous amount because I'm a celebrity. Alone celebrating that. Alone celebrating that. Is this how celebrities in America and UK, is this how they live? If we make that kind of money, for you to charge me that kind of amount, I shouldn't be selling rice, selling drinks, selling clothes, doing influencing. I shouldn't be doing multiple businesses. I should just stick to my celebrity life, you know. Maybe I go on a set and they pay me like 10 million naira to just appear in a movie, or 20 million naira. I shouldn't be stressing myself at all. Then you can come and be asking for whatever money you want to be asking. How many movies do I even do in a year now? Because they don't pay well. The reason why I don't even do Yoruba movies anymore, because they don't pay well. They can't afford to pay well, and there's nothing we can do about that. So you move on to the next. You do your own thing, or you repackage yourself and do something else. So for those of you, this is for you. Say, I don't want to pay tax. I should go and pay tax. Or more tax, they won't. Do you understand? I don't think so.
tọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ti rí bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bí ó sì sọ̀rọ̀ sí bàbá wa tí a ń pè ní Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu nínú fídíò yìí níbi tó sì sọ wípé ó ní lóòótọ́ ò lódodo wípé Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ó ní support àwọn èèyàn lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ó ní ṣùgbọ́n ó ní ó yẹ kí bàbá kí ó lọ máa jókòó kó máa sinmi ni ó ní ó yẹ kí bàbá máa sinmi ni ó ní kó dẹ̀ máa give directives fún àwọn tí ó bá fi sí orí ipò ó ní kí n tún ṣe bàbá kọ́ ló yẹ kó tún wà lórí àlééfà báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ṣé nǹkan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sí nǹkan tó sọ ṣé ó bọ́ sí i tàbí kò bọ́ sí i nǹkan tí ẹ bá lérò ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ tẹ̀ sí comment section ká lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ lórí rẹ̀ ká lè fọ̀rọ̀ jómítóró ọ̀rọ̀ lórí rẹ̀ ní comment section lónìí a kò ní rí jù báyìí lọ ire lójú gbogbo ọmọ àrí ó tún dọjọ́ mi ọjọ́ rẹ̀ ó dìgbà.